Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start inside the WordPress dashboard, open posts or pages, and choose the item you will edit. Once done, open the block editor or classic editor so you can insert a link immediately. Make sure you have the external URL copied, including the HTTPS prefix when available, because that affects security and browser warnings. Also confirm whether you want the link to open in a new tab or the same tab so you can set that preference up front. Select the anchor text you want linked. Meaningful text helps SEO and accessibility, so choose descriptive words rather than generic phrases. Then invoke the link tool, click the chain icon or press Ctrl+K, paste the external URL and hit enter to apply. Next, make sure to toggle the option to open in a new tab if that is your intent, and add rel equals Nupenernerferer to avoid performance and security issues, because it protects your. After inserting and configuring the link, update or publish the post, and then clear any caching plugin or CDN cache so the change appears to visitors. Once live, test the external link on desktop and mobile. Confirm it opens in the chosen tab, and that the destination loads over HTTPS when expected. If things go wrong, check for typos, 301 redirects, mixed content blocking from HTTPS, or plugin conflicts. Disable suspect plugins briefly to isolate the issue, then reapply fixes and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.